Guys, you can subscribe
to
to
Ludo
Nation.
Nation.
Like and share. Bye.
Hey, what's good, YouTube? It is your boy Lunto underscore SA, the most chill, and I'm back again with another video. So today, guys, as you can see, we're at Amber Mall. You know what I mean? So I just want to try out something. Today is the 31st of December. So this is the last day of 2025. So we just wanna cook something. So if it's your first time in this channel, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button, make sure that you like the video, make sure that you comment down below, and without wasting any time, let's go. Yeah, chat. So today I'm gonna check if you can find, you know, armies and stuff. You know what I mean? But yeah, this is my first time shooting here. I don't know how's the operation here, but and my bro was like Rizang Zulu. So let's see if you can find shit. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, let's go. I think I see something.
Whoop, whoop. Here I come. Oh, here I come. Oh.
I think I see something. Boy, come. Sorry, Ayan. Oh, mina nguluntu ne. Yeah. So can I chup? You uyashirisa nichup ya? Oh, unama nails amahle. Ne? Mm. Bavumela ukuthi uchufe la mall phakathi. Oh, do you know what's the reason why I came to you? Do you know what's the reason why I came to you? I came to you because I find you attractive. Yeah. So I wanted to know if I can get your sense.
My 10.
Yeah. You have a problem.
No, I don't have a problem.
Oh,
But why you want me
no matter what time she looks, I find you attractive. Are you going somewhere? Where are you heading to? Oh, before we get, I get your sense because man, keep a good dates.
content.
Yeah. Oh, no, I'm a YouTuber. Just shout out to my blog. I'm blogging actually. Hi guys, this is
Ayanda.
Ayada. Yo, Ayada. So I'm getting your sense. But ngifake wami la, uzongitext. Ngithatha wami.
Yeah. That's how I'm.
Ngihlala kuphi wena?
Ngihlala la 9. Mara
Nine.
ngivakashela 8.
Ngiyokhohlwa ama number.
Angawakhohlwanga.
Awukhohlwanga.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice to meet you. Ngizokutext ne? Yeah, bye guys. That's a W in the chat. W in the chat. Sorry for the truth, but let's go inside. Let's go inside. Sanibonani, sithola ukunibambisa. Ah, bemele bangibhadale, ngibabambise mahhala. Exactly. She's just running away. Now I don't know what's wrong. She's like, nah, sorry. Hmm. Smells good in here. Don't worry, man. This is my camp. I'm vlogging on my YouTube channel. Go by can Milenda. Oh, my name is Luntu, man.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, bengifuna ukubuza do you have like male perfumes here?
Yes, now.
Um,
Gonna go and get.
wanted. Do they smell good? You actually smell good. Do you use the products in here? Okay. Okay. So by ngani then?
Dark night.
Dark nights.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay. So bengisacela ukubuza ne. Do you have any advice for any young man who wants to date?
I-advice yami ukuthi ngiyazini yekelana abayekela abantu abadala hawo wafanele ufune umuntu omdala.
No, not mdala ngaleyo ndlela leyo, but somebody who's a reasonable age. How old are you? Okay, but you can't ask a woman her age. It's
No,
fine.
yazini ne
Yeah.
wena nje umuntu wesilisa fanele nje yena focus kuye yabo abuild relationship yakhe kuqala before azofuna ukungena ku relationship yabo. Cause the
How?
thing
Like how?
no, the thing yabo ukuthi manje wena say sometimes umuntu makafuna someone older than him ufuna ukuthi lo muntu azomu-maintain yabo. Abaningi bakhona bafuna lokho.
Yeah.
Yebo.
But now I can maintain somebody who's older than me.
Ngiyakuzwa lokho kodwa anginayo i-advice yabantu abanjalo
Oh no. Shusa nama advice.
ukuthi advice yami kuwe ukuthi qhubeka nabantu laba intanga zakho.
Intanga zami.
Yeah.
Intanga zami like abekho serious. Me, I want somebody who's serious. You see, if I can date someone who's older, like they understand. Now you see, I'm dating for like something in a relationship. Like I wanna build. Yeah.
Ngiyakuzwa but then for that one I don't have advice.
You don't have an advice. Should I come back again as an advisor? I can come back again as an advisor.
No.
Because
okay,
you see,
because
here's the thing. Simple example, like you just showed me I'm a perfume, so you know, but see, umuntu wesilisa like me, like anu kanjani kamnandi, understand?
ngiyakuzwa.
Yeah, those are like simple basics. You understand? So it shows, you see, if I'm dating somebody who's older than me, they can take care of me, and I can do the same.
Aw, okay. Kodwa mina anginayo i-advice next time.
I can come next time.
Yes.
Yes. So I'm gosh. Oh, Chad, go tell abantu subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Hi guys.
Uluntu, just tell them subscribe to Uluntu Nation.
Guys, ngicela subscribe
To Uluntu Nation.
Like and share.
Yeah,
Bye bye.
my sister. Thank you so much. Thank you. Nah, that was a W. That was smooth, bro. W fit. W fit, my brother. W fit. How's it? Are you good? Are you nice? Can we do a trip check? You're nice. Can you stand this side? What's your name? Tabo. Before we start, now this is like my YouTube channel. Yeah, my name is Luntu. I know I didn't introduce myself. Yeah, Kamalamu Luntu. Sishange scarce or Sishange English. Scarce, ne? But abafazi yazi bakubona njengo-cheese boy wena.
Cheese boy mangiphuzile uma yana percent
Ana percent that choose. Nah, no problem, no problem. So yeah, dog. Mara like nice fit, W fit, dog. I'm not gonna lie, dog. Yeah. So what inspired the trip? Is it the 31st of December or damn a daily thing? Nah, shout out to you, bro. Shout out to you, dog. Do you have any social media platforms where people can follow you and stuff?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, shout out your Insta, Instagram yako, TikTok, Facebook, wherever abantu abangafollow up on. Stop.
My IG,
Yeah,
CG6690,
yeah.
and then face chat,
Sabo Shabala.
complete.
Shout out, my nigga. Shout out. Have a good day, bro. Man. Keep the fit up, bro.
I need that one.
But you have one, though. You have one.
I need that one though.
Now you must get this. I must get this one. Now I must get this one. But W free, dog. I'm not gonna lie. W free. Yo. You. Now that's a ball. Now that's a ball. So where are you going? Are you going to an event or something?
Probably later. I haven't decided.
Yeah, you haven't decided.
I'm just buying alcohol.
Yeah, you're buying alcohol now. Where the mom is at? Me, I want you to put me to hands.
One hand.
Yeah. Me, I want hands. But low key, now I'm not gonna lie. Low key was flexing high. Can I talk to you for a minute? Camera.
Hi, Kepha.
Alright, camera. What's your name? Oh, ngiyajabula ukwazi ne. Mina mara unguzange igama lami, but it's fine. Keep me anonymous, it's fine. Adlala nguluntu ne. Luntu. Yeah. Lithi igama lami. Ngiyabonga ne. Okay, this is pretty much an unusual stuff, ne. You see the people the way they are looking at me, dog. Ish. I don't know, but I'm gonna keep working, you know. We need fine shit. You go on this side, ne? Away. It's a boy.
Okay.
How are you?
I'm good. I'm gonna come to the camera so someone will say hello.
It's good, man. Now you good. I'm so glad. It's been a long time. Since I've been- Now I'm vlogging. What do you mean? I'm a YouTuber, dog. Now I'm vlogging. Okay. These are your turns.
Yeah. Okay.
Serious? Sure. Mangawafonela zongea.
Nanyeke angene yima ithi why ewe WhatsApp uyikhola ngimali straight and njengoba usho usiphathi into bengiceda ngasikhona ukuthi so enye iphone just ye WhatsApp.
It's a W in the chat, boys. It's a W in the chat. Sanibonani. Hola, Khuzana. Okay. Kalun buza ama question. I two. Just two questions. Two. Nah, there's something fish in the relationship. But when I test the loyalty, oh, that's a grand, that's your my. Yeah, cheat, alone cheat. Sanibonani, bese cela ungiphushele itroli. Sawubona. Nawe uyabaleka chat you saw her. Sikubonile ngale sawubona. Kunjani okay cela ukubingelela then bese ngiyahamba. Sawubona. Uyala. Let's go dog, let's go.
Thank you, Anne.
Yeah, sure. As uyayisaba camera asizange ngokubi ne. Mara umuhle yazi ngithi eh uyayisaba you camera shy. If you camera shy I understand. You Ish boys, we don't see any fine shit here. But let's keep moving. Let's see. Sawubona. Njani? Impilo bayikama. Nokuthula. Uthula. Oh, ngicela advice. A1. Any relationship advice that you have for me? Any gospel advice that you have? Yeah. Awunanako ya Jesu. Oh, awunanako ya Jesu. Thanks for my questions. Oh, Kana, what's your name? Tulu. Oh, my name is Luntu. Ne? Nice to meet you too. There's a lot of things. Now we are just shooting a YouTube vlog. Yabo. Yeah, we're shooting. It's just for just in the YouTube. We're gonna post the stuff on YouTube. Yabo. Yeah, but tell abantu ukuthi be subscribe and to Luntu Nation.
Subscribe
To
there.
Luntu Nation.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you. What's a monto? Yeah. Hey, yo, chat. So we're just gonna go and just grab ice creams. You know what I mean? Yeah, me and my cameraman. We're just gonna go grab ice creams.